Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever struggled to get crisp, seamless miter joints on window casings or baseboards, you know how frustrating it can be to wrestle pieces into place while hoping the alignment stays true. Today, we're looking at a tool designed to take the guesswork and the grunt work out of that process, the SKOOL Miter Max Corner Clamp. Priced at $94, this isn't a budget grab nor a premium flagship, but it's positioned right in that sweet spot where practicality meets performance. I've been putting these clamps through their paces on real jobs over the past year, from client installations to personal projects, and they've sparked some strong opinions, both good and critical. In this review, I'll walk you through how they perform in everyday use, where they shine, and where they come up short, especially when compared to higher-end alternatives. Let's dive into what makes this tool worth your attention or not. Let me tell you, as someone who's spent years in the trenches of finished carpentry, finding the right tools can be the difference between a job that's just okay and one that truly stands out. When it comes to trim work, especially window and door casings, the devil's in the details, and those mitered corners need to be tight, clean, and perfectly aligned. That's where the SKOOL Miter Max Corner Clamp comes in. I picked up a pair a while back, and honestly, they've become one of those tools I didn't know I needed until I used them. The clamping power is seriously impressive, strong enough to pull even stubborn joints flush without over-crushing the wood. The design allows for solid pressure right at the corner, which is exactly where you need it. Whether you're running baseboard, casing, or crown molding, these clamps take a lot of the frustration out of achieving professional-looking joints. One thing I really appreciate is the flexibility in how you use them. The teeth on these clamps are aggressive enough to grip well, but here's the smart part. You can actually remove some of them if you're working with higher-end, stain-grade material where you don't want any tooth marks. That's a small detail, but it shows some thought went into the design. I've used them on oak, poplar, even some painted MDF, and they perform consistently across the board. When you're gluing up a miter, you need the joint to stay put while the adhesive sets, and any movement can throw everything off. These clamps lock the corner in place so effectively that I've noticed far fewer touch-ups with wood filler or caulk. That kind of time savings at the end of a long day on a job site, that's gold. Now, let's talk about real-world use. I was casing a set of 6 windows in a client's home last month, and having these clamps allowed me to clamp, check square, and move on without babysitting each joint. The clamps stay locked in place, and once you've tightened them down, you can let the glue do its thing. I've also found them super helpful when working alone. No need to jury-rig a corner with a couple of bar clamps and a prayer. The design is intuitive. Just position the clamp over the miter, squeeze the handles, and tighten the screw. It's quick, repeatable, and most importantly, reliable. For anyone doing trim on a regular basis, whether professionally or as a serious DIYer, this is the kind of tool that quietly boosts your efficiency without making you think too hard. That said, I do want to be honest about the build quality. These aren't the absolute top-tier clamps on the market. There are higher-end models made with solid brass components and fully removable teeth as standard. The SKOOL version uses more sheet metal and plastic in places where the premium options use all metal, and you can feel the difference if you're comparing them side by side. Some users might have concerns about long-term durability, especially if you're using them daily on big projects. I've had mine for over a year now, and so far they're holding up fine, but I can understand the hesitation. The handles feel sturdy, though I did notice the end caps could use a little reinforcement. You might want to check them periodically to make sure they stay tight under heavy use. Another thing to be aware of, the newer production batch has had some changes under the hood. From what I've seen and experienced, some of the internal components appear to be made with cheaper materials, like plastic bars instead of solid brass, and shark fin-style teeth that can't be removed without disassembling the whole clamp. That's a step down from the original runs, which were built a little more robustly. If you're buying these now, pay attention to the manufacturing date or batch because there's been a noticeable shift in quality. I had the earlier version, which performed well, but the newer ones I looked at in person felt flimsier. That kind of inconsistency is always a red flag, especially at a $94 price point. You're not paying for premium tier quality, but you should still expect consistency. Still, for the price, these clamps offer solid value, especially if you're building your toolkit without blowing the budget. I wouldn't expect them to last 20 years of daily professional use, but for light to moderate trim work, weekend projects, or even a one-off renovation, they're more than capable. I actually wished I had two pairs when I was replacing door casings on a rental property. Being able to work on multiple frames at once would have saved me hours. The packaging was decent, and they came ready to use right out of the box. If you take care of them, keep the threads clean, maybe a drop of oil on the screw mechanism occasionally, they should serve you well for a good while. Overall, I'd say the Oskel Miter Max Corner Clamp is a smart addition to your trim toolkit if you're looking for real performance without the premium price tag. They're not perfect, and they're not going to replace the top dogs in category, but they deliver where it counts: strong, reliable clamping that helps you get tight, clean miters every time. Just go in with the right expectations. This is a solid mid-tier option with some thoughtful design features, even if the materials cut a few corners. If you're tired of wrestling miters into submission with scraps of wood and too many clamps, give these a shot. They might just become one of those tools you reach for without even thinking. If you're ready to nail those perfect miters without the frustration, give the Oskel Miter Max a shot and give this video a like if it helped. For more tools that tighten up your workflow, hit subscribe. Let's build something great, one solid joint at a time.